today. This might be a quick video, I'm not sure. But I'm getting these disinfectant wipes, some gloves, picking up this exfoliating body scrubber. This comes in multiple colors like pink and purple. Getting another duster because I'm like seeing another restock of these. And then anti-pollution mask by Miss Spa. What? And I got this tea tree mask. Looks good. Oral-B floss picks. And then look how cute this clip is. And then Halloween is out. Like, what? I can't believe it. So cute. They've got these little to-go. I think I'm gonna get one of these, actually. This Dollar Tree is so good, you guys. I rarely get to come to it because it's a little far for me, but it is so good. It's huge, too. I don't know if, like, you can tell, but she's a big one. Alright, just gonna sit here and look at all the cleaning supplies. Wait, what is this attachment? Rubber broom? Oh, I'm getting that. I already have the stick, but I'm gonna get that. I think I'm actually gonna get one of these. Wait, what? No way. Okay, actually, I think, do I want to go for the gray ones? Like dark gray? Let me start off with this one, actually. What is this? Under the bed storage, but look at these. Felt drawer organizers. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna get that for sure. I got the little pet section. Dogs. Oh, that's food scooper. I thought it was like a pooper scooper. Look at this. Wait. You can put your little cars in here. I'm gonna get this for my nephew. LED headlamp for kids. A headlamp. There's a unicorn. There's even a dinosaur. What? That's crazy. That's crazy.